morning everyone, welcome to my channel, and I would like to say thank you to my subscribers and the one that views my video on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Thanks very much for that. Today I'm going to do a video on carrying out a service and checking for concern on this 2.5 turbo diesel Toyota Fortuner. So basically what we're going to be doing today, we'll be replacing the engine oil and oil filter. We're going to do a safety check on the car, and the client's concern was there's a slight shudder during acceleration. We're looking around 100 kilometers an hour on highway driving, but when I was driving the car before, I did actually feel there was a bit of shudder during braking and slowing down also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the wheel. I'm going to check all the components on the brake system itself, see that the rotors, the brake calipers or the brake pad itself does need attended to. So here we are guys at these rotors. So we're just going to have a quick check with the rotors itself. The rotors looks pretty alright. It doesn't look like it's any lip, but if there is a distortion on the rotors itself, you can't tell by just looking at it. Basically you do need to replace it or machine it, because if it's slightly whooped, then it may create a shudder while it's driving. And we'll just have a quick check on the brake pad itself. Brake pad looks like it still has a lot of life on it, so that looks pretty alright. Suspension wise, front arm, lower arm, control arm, slight of whip of oil on the absorber itself, but doesn't look like it's severe. I think it's just basically just dirt. Doesn't look like there's any severe oil leaks on it. Other than that, looks pretty alright. a check on, make sure the tie rod, the lower arm, the drive shafts are all running good, no oil leaks, which is pretty good. Oh, that drain oil just created a bit of mess, but I'll clean it up. Other than that, every underneath the car looking pretty alright.